Now we'll see problem number 4 in beta function. Suppose integral is 0 to infinity 1 upon 1 plus x raised to 4 bracket close dx. Now this integral contains bracket, but that bracket contains addition sign. So you have to use second definition of beta function. What is the substitution? That substitution is second term of this bracket upon first term equals to t. So second term is x raised to 4, first term is 1 equals to t. So x raised to 4 equals to t. Then x equals to t raised to 1 by 4. After getting x, you have to differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt equals to 1 by 4 t raised to 1 by 4 minus 1. So dx equals to 1 by 4 t raised to 1 by 4 minus 1 dt. This is dx. Then limits. Now what are the limits? Use relation between t and x. So t equals to x raised to 4. Lower limit t equals to lower limit of x is 0. So 0 raised to 4 is 0. Upper limit of x is infinity. So infinity raised to 4 is infinity. Now put these limits dx, x and x raised to 4 in equation 1. Then equation 1 becomes I equals to 0 to infinity 1 upon 1 plus t, x raised to 4 is t, into dx. dx is 1 by 4 into t raised to 1 by 4 minus 1 dt. Now 1 by 4 is constant, you can write down outside. This 1 into t raised to 1 by 4 minus 1. So product of these two terms is this upon 1 plus t dt. And then you can use this definition. Beta of m comma n is 0 to infinity t raised to m minus 1 1 plus t raised to m plus n dt. So use this definition. 1 by 4 into beta of, add 1 in power of this t. So power of t is 1 by 4 minus 1. If you add 1, then minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So 1 by 4. How we get second number? Subtract this first number from power of denominator. So power of denominator is 1. So 1 minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into beta of 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So this is the required answer. Thank you.